Hi everyone, welcome to Teju's Healthy Eats. This green juice is my family's daily ritual and personally it has transformed my health. I used to suffer from severe PMS and cramps every month, but since making this a part of my mornings, my cycles are far more manageable. It's also helped me with energy, skin glow, hair health, weight loss, and even general body aches. After a good night's sleep, what you put in your body first sets the tone for the day, your energy, your metabolism, and how good you feel. That's why instead of coffee or sugar, we start with this. Taken on an empty stomach, when your metabolism is at its peak, this juice delivers maximum benefits. It's refreshing, detoxifying, and anti-inflammatory. Before we start juicing, take a quick glance at all these fresh ingredients: kale, arugula, fennel, cucumber, apple, mint, and more. While you're seeing them here, let me share why this juice really matters. Every single day we are exposed to toxins from the air we breathe, pollutants, smoke, even chemicals floating in the atmosphere, from the food we eat, processed and packaged items that carry microplastics and even trace metals from industrial machines, from the water we drink, whether bottled or flowing through chemically treated pipes. I am also going to wash and prep everything we need for this powerful green juice. Now let's continue our discussion on why it matters. Our bodies constantly fight these toxins, and while supplements can help, they are still processed. The real battle is inflammation, and studies from MIT, Harvard, and Stanford show that more than 60% of the people worldwide suffer from some form of chronic inflammation, leading to hormonal imbalances, PMS, fatigue, weight gain, and joint pains. That's why I believe small, consistent steps with natural foods are the best defense, because nature heals in ways nothing else can. Now that our ingredients are washed and clean, let's start adding them to the juicer. As I add each one, I'll share the amazing benefits they bring to this green juice. Kale, loaded with vitamin K, vitamin C, calcium, and antioxidants that strengthen bones and fight oxidative stress. Dandelion leaves, a powerful detox green. Dandelion leaves support liver health, aid digestion, and help reduce water retention. Fennel leaves, refreshing, soothing for digestion, and naturally reduce bloating. Baby arugula, slightly peppery but packed with nitrates that improve circulation and support heart health. Celery, full of electrolytes, celery hydrates the body, reduces inflammation, and supports blood pressure balance. If you're finding this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more healthy recipes. Cucumber, high in water and minerals, cucumber keeps you hydrated, flushes out toxins, and refreshes the system. Green apple adds a touch of natural sweetness along with fiber, antioxidants, and vitamin C. If you are just starting, use a red apple or even 2 apples until your taste buds adjust. Then slowly shift to 1 green apple. Ginger, one of nature's best anti-inflammatories, ginger supports digestion, boosts immunity, and reduces inflammation. Cilantro, a natural detoxifier, cilantro is also known to help flush heavy metals from the body and boost immunity. Mint, fresh and cooling, mint soothes the digestive system and makes the juice taste light and refreshing. And finally, lime. Bright and zesty, lime provides vitamin C, helps alkalize the body, and supports immunity. Just look at the vibrant green pure goodness in a glass. This recipe makes about 750 ml, one full mason jar. Nutritionally, it's only about 110 calories with less than 15 grams of natural sugar, 3 to 4 grams of plant protein, and packed with vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients. It hydrates, detoxifies, and leaves you feeling light and energized. Supplements have their place, but they'll always be processed. Nature takes time, but the benefits are real, lasting, and life-changing. Once you make natural habits like this part of your routine, you will notice the difference. Less inflammation, better energy, improved digestion, and a lighter, refreshed body. This is one step, one glass, one habit, and it can change everything.